Chris, I bought a new car,
Oh, for God's sake.
but this time it's not my fault.
Whose fault is it?
Well, so I was just working away on the 225 the other night, and I turned around, fell over on a random bit of pipe. As I was falling, accidentally opened eBay and bid on a car. That leads us to here, on the road, to go and pick up the new car. Now, we don't have a trailer, but we do have an empty van, and I think that'll work. Unsure, but I think. I have convinced Chris to come along for the ride. So, in about 10 seconds worth of B-roll, we will see us again with a car in the back, because I'm not going to film the person I don't know. I bought a car.
In the loosest terms possible.
It's definitely a car.
It could be a car. It was a car. Oh God, it might not be a car for much.
We didn't strap it in or anything, so we'll get back to the workshop and then I'll explain why I brought this and what's going on with the giveaway van, because, you know, you're probably all waiting to see that. So, let's go. This is what we brought, and this is an old Morris 8, and we're going to build a race car. So the plan is, well, first of all, I saw this and I just thought it was too cool not to buy. It was cheap as well, so I'm not surprised it was cheap. It's just a body of a car. But we got this, right, and then we're going to get like a Caterham or a Lotus 7, whatever they are, a Dutton, a kit car of some description, and mount this on top of it. Because we live about, well, we work about 5 miles from Snetterton, the racetrack. So it seems stupid that we never take anything on track, but you know us, we don't want no boring cars. So we're going to build one. Now, let us know in the comments, 1, what you think about the idea, and 2, if you ever do track driving, what are the stipulations, what are the rules and regulations, because I don't want to build it all and then not be able to use it, but it's basically just going to be a Caterham or whatever with this body on. But we've got a lot more to do in this video than that, because I didn't expect to sell so many t-shirts, so I had to print a lot of t-shirts and I really ran out of space quick. Also, the post office had some issues, so all of your orders should be with you now. If they're not, they're on the way. There was something wrong with their systems. We didn't realise they didn't actually send any of our drop and go stuff. But I've been putting this roof up, and I'm going to continue doing that, and I need to do that. Now, I might film it, might not. Man, did I fuck up. I have made so much mess. But it's given me time to stare at this, and I think the Caterham idea is the way to go. I thought I'd just show you a few cool points on the car as well. These door handles, I think, are the coolest thing I've ever seen. And I was going to get rid of the doors and climb in through the roof, but I think maybe for track purpose, we should probably keep those. Now, suicide doors again, like the Austin, pretty fucking cool. The grille, I'm not sure if it's the original grille. I guess it is, but it's a bit of a width issue. Now, I think they might have cut this nose cone down because they've cut the sides out as well. So that could be why that is like that. Now, obviously 2-door, but all in all, it's a pretty damn cool car. So I'm pretty excited to get on with that. I might have to try and find some sponsors to help with some bits on that. So leave that one with me. That's not going to be straight away. Obviously, we have got to do the giveaway van, which is the main priority. After I finished cleaning up this mess, which I've moved that rack, but which I'm getting through, and we have to finish the Land Rover this week because that's the last straggling job from trying to do this. So I'm going to do a Land Rover video for the end of next week, and then after that it is flat out on the giveaway van. So I'm going to put some polls up at the end of this video. I'll put them up on YouTube and we'll make a few decisions on that and go from there as far as how we're going to build it. And the Navara, which I've buried again, is going to be the following one. So giveaway van, Navara, race car, and I might have bid on a car on eBay again since I started this video. I didn't mean to, but again I just fell and it happened, so I'm praying I don't win that. It's one of them ones where you bid and then go, nope, shouldn't have done that, and it's only on £200, so it's not the end of the world if I win. But I've had this Beetle pan under here for so long and found a car with a knackered floor, so it just made sense to me. So there might be another giveaway car after the van. I think we'll just keep doing them. If you lot want to keep doing them, we'll keep doing them. Now, I have some new bits to discuss. Banners. Now, you all kept asking for banners, so I got some banners. Now, I got a bit overexcited. If I use this glove as a reference, they're quite big. They're 1.5 meters long by 1 meter tall. So I'll put those on the website. There's not many of them, so if you want one, get on there and get it. Now, I feel like there was something else. Ah, yes. Digital poster. Now, because I've had this issue where you all ordered stuff, which I'm eternally grateful for, but it did make it harder for me to obviously get on. I was meant to be doing the van this week, and the Land Rover finishing it last week, but everything shifted back a week because I had to print more than I expected. I've put a digital poster. I've done a little drawing on my computer. It's not amazing, it's not the worst. You can go and buy that. That's a tenner, and that will get you 2 entries to the giveaway van. The reason it's 2 for a tenner is because if you buy that, it saves me having to print a t-shirt, which means I can get on a bit better. I'm going to print once a week now, so your orders will take a week or less from when you order to arrive. I'm just learning as I go. Like I say, we're all in this together. So yeah, it's Sunday now, and this video is coming out tomorrow night. So, just a quick rewind on what's happened. Bought a new car for no reason, bidding on another car for no reason. The van is coming from next Monday onwards. Next Monday night there will be the final Land Rover video, and after that, no more crap videos. No more of this waffling to Phil's face. I am going to put 120% effort in on the giveaway onwards. Everything's going to be as good as I can make it. Now, I've got to work out a few things, you know, how to film, when to film, that sort of stuff, but leave that with me. This is your Dropworks guarantee that every video from this point forward is going to be as good as I can do. So, like, subscribe, go buy a poster, and let's get the Land Rover out of the way and get on with this giveaway van. Have a lovely night. Goodbye.